Let's compare how these scenes sound in Power Rangers Ninja Storm and Ninpu Sentai Hurricaneger, First Ninja Storm.
Interception at the goal line, and the Thunders are running it back for a touchdown. Activating Power Sphere. Now!
Now, Sentai Hurricaneger, original Japanese version.
この忍びメダル、我らがいただいた。忍びメダル、セット。
Now the second scene from Power Rangers Ninja Storm. Watch how the show adapts this moment for the American audience.
He's at the 50, the 40, the 30!
Now let's compare it with the original Sentai version.
究極奥義、大回転、轟切り。
So which version do you prefer? Power Rangers Ninja Storm or Ninpu Sentai Hurricaneger? Let me know which one you think sounds better.